Good morning, my dear children. Dear children, in today's short grammar class, we shall have a quick revision on the use of the grammatical structure no sooner than. Yes, no sooner than. We use this grammatical structure no sooner than to talk about something happens immediately after something else. Something happens means one thing happens soon after another thing. Suppose two events are there or two activities are there to take place. The second event or the second activity starts or begins immediately after the end of the first event of the first activity. There is no real time difference. Both events or both activities take place almost in the same time, almost simultaneously. There is very short time gap, and second activity starts immediately after the end of the first activity. Generally, this structure is often used in past perfect tense followed by the grammatical particle then. Let's find one example. No sooner had I received my mother's call than I left for home. We must not say no sooner I had received. The structure is no sooner had I received my mother's call than I left for home. First, I received my mother's call. Immediately after, I decided to visit to my home, pay a visit to my home to respond to my mother's call. Another example. No sooner had I stepped out of home than it started raining. First, I stepped out of home. Immediately after, rain started. So let's use this structure carefully and let's beautify our sentences. Good day.